very pleased now to be able to say I'm joined by Rod Christie, the CEO of GE Oil and Gas. Thank you very much for joining us.
Kirsten, it's nice to be with you.
Good. We have a number of sessions still to look forward to here at Offshore Europe. Tomorrow you're a contributor. Kind of give us a theme of what you're going to be talking about.
So tomorrow we're participating in basically a round table discussion and about some of the challenges of attracting new talent, the next generation of leaders, engineering, technologists into the industry.
I'm interested to know, because we've been hearing for a long time about the skills shortage and that skills gap. We heard about it a long time before the current financial challenges that are facing the industry. We hear a lot of talk about encouraging new talent. What's actually been done?
I think you look at what started some of this as we go through cycles, and if you're a young graduate looking for a stable and challenging environment, maybe we don't hit and tick all the boxes. So how do we really promote, I think, career opportunity, technology, commercial innovation? So if someone wants to be in a commercial role or in a technology role or really learn in some challenging environments, I don't think we clearly show a roadmap to some of those things. Yeah. So how do we go out and actually give people more of an open view of what the industry is, what the opportunities are, what the career paths are? I know when I graduated, I really didn't know what I wanted to do.
Neither did I, don't worry.
Yeah. So I think in many cases, a lot of us fall into our career. And I think what you do in 3, 4, 5, 10 years' time may be very different from what you really think you're going to enjoy when you first graduate. And one of the advantages I think the oil and gas industry brings is huge diversity of roles, and the ability for people to change career direction. You could, I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm now responsible for a global operation. Yeah. But through that career path, I've had opportunity to be involved with government relations, in many cases finance, commercial, technology, and it allows you to kind of really enjoy and tweak different parts of what's interesting at different times.
Let's face it though, the current challenges that the industry faces that are so widely publicised must be making that recruitment process a lot more difficult, because young people in particular perhaps don't know what to believe about the industry at the moment. Does it have a future, or is it not looking so good? It must make it challenging.
It definitely does, and I think having a good view and being as an industry being able to project some of the larger scale benefits of a career in the industry, but also the necessity for the oil and gas industry for the longer term. It isn't sort of the beginning of the end. Yeah. In reality, there's still. You look around, you think of society, how much comes from hydrocarbons, irrespective of just obviously what you put in the car. Yeah. It's an essential part of the economy and global society. I don't know that we make enough of that. I don't think we project that enough and make sure people see it. I think heavy industry, of course, which we're one, has a challenge today in motivating people. There's a lot of tech startups. You think of small organizations, light, nimble, cutting edge, the ability to be entrepreneurial.
Yes.
I'm not sure we stroke all of that for everybody. And the younger generation today, what I see is people are looking for those challenges, and it's our job to make us fresh. We're large organizations. Yeah. How do we stay fresh?
I wouldn't be too hard on yourself. I mean, we see the likes of drone technology here on display. I mean,
Absolutely.
That's incredibly exciting, especially for the next generation coming up. Yeah. It's that type of cutting-edge technology which is exciting.
It is. And you walk around a show like this, and you see the level of innovation. And it's great if we have new engineers and graduates coming to a show like this and see it, because it does spark innovation and it does spark interest. I think we need to do more of projecting that, because it is. I find it hard not to walk around here and get excited about some of the things that I see. The potential for different technologies, and in a down cycle or a cycle like this, that it's not just technology. It's also commercial innovation. It's risk management. It's how do we interact with customers. It's how do we get ourselves more aligned to the challenge of the future.
Absolutely.
These take innovation for people in a commercial role, people in a technical role, people in a management role. So we got to project more of that.
Well, Rod, keep up the good work, because we do need to keep encouraging more young people to come into
Absolutely
this
do.
industry. Thank you very much, and
Thank you
we'll
very
look
much,
forward
Christie.
to your presentation tomorrow. Thank you.
Thanks.